Prepping a new door for lock installation. Before you prep any door for hardware, it's very important that you apply painter's tape to the face of the door. This protects the door and prevents it from splintering. Next, draw a horizontal line where the lock will be mounted. Using this jig tool available online and at your local DIY store, you can easily prep a door that's either 1 3/4 or 2 1/4 inch thick. You can also adjust the back set for either 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inch. Here you can see that this tool is set for a 2 3/8 inch back set, as well as a 1 3/4 inch thick door. You can easily adjust your jig tool as needed. Just slide out the insert and rotate it to the desired measurement. This can be done for the bore hole as well as the back set. Just pop out the insert and flip it around to the desired dimension. The markers show the measurements for both back set and bore hole sizes. Slide the tool back onto the door and tighten it. Make sure that you've aligned the triangle over the mark line where the deadbolt will be installed. Boring of the 2 1/8 inch back set and the 1 inch diameter bore hole. Next, we're going to core the door using a hole saw that is supplied with the jig. Line it up, hold the door, and start drilling. Once the drill point pops through the other side of the door, it's time to stop coring this side of the door. Next, we're going to start coring out the latch hole using our 1 inch hole saw. At this point, we're going to stop drilling the latch hole and remove the drill jig. Now we can finish drilling the back set using the drill bit hole that popped through. Now we can finish drilling the latch hole, remove the painter's tape, and we're done.